Okay, hello folks. Right on time, day one. I got my supplement stack, that is package number one. Day first, so I don't have any time or with that COVID situation, வெளியில எங்கேயும் போக முடியல. So I just placed my order online, and of course it's with Amazon. Got my first stack in here. It's Creatine and BCAA. Some of you have already known, but for யாருக்கெல்லாம் தெரியலையோ so creatine is one of your performance boosters, so it could be taken pre-workout as so that's the package. Now already open பண்ணிட்டேன், so we'll see it and I will share what are all the updates on the creatine and what is pros and cons. And நான் ஆர்டர் பண்ணது வந்து CreaPRO from MuscleBlaze, so one of my favorite brands. And CreaPROக்கும் creatine monohydrateக்கும் நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்துட்டு டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் என்ன அப்படின்ட்டு could be wondering. So CreaPRO is purest form of creatine, so there will be minute difference, but that difference will help you in a lot of ways, and I thought I'll order it. So why would I miss even the 0.1% of advantage now? You shouldn't be missing, so I just took that advantage. So I'll share that description and the link where I have ordered. So CreaPRO from MuscleBlaze. So that's 3 grams of creatine and this is a net weight of 250 grams. So I'll just keep it and I'll share you the link on the description. And this is BCAA and again from MuscleBlaze. Let's open it. Okay, so this is BCAA Pro from MuscleBlaze, and I in the pineapple flavor order. Usually I'll order watermelon, always my favorite. Watermelon, not only on this, even on the fruit, watermelon is my favorite. So I just ordered this pineapple flavor. So in the different start pineapple flavor start order பண்ணிருக்கேன். But haven't tasted it so far, the pineapple flavor. I'm just trying it. So BCAA is branched chain amino acids. So நிறைய பேர் வந்து யோசிக்கலாம் என்ன amino acid அப்படின்ட்டு. So this is one of the protein compounds. So 23 amino acids சேர்ந்தது தான் வந்துட்டு we call it as protein. So this is one of the key and vital amino acids which we all need to gain muscles as well as performance and everything. Okay, so BCAA Pro from MuscleBlaze, it has 7 grams of BCAA and 1068 mg of electrolytes, and of course it has a glutamine 2.5 grams, so you don't need a separate glutamine for the first cycle of preparation, and of course for the recovery glutamine is a must. Okay, so I'm just excited to see how it will taste. So BCAA is usually நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு intra workout எடுக்கலாம். So I'll usually take it with water while doing the workout. So what not? So I'll just have it as a mocktail during the workout. So I'll just mix it with some of the fruits if needed. So I'll just most of the time now natural try பண்ணுவேன், even with the orange. So if it's an orange flavor, I just put some of the orange pulps in there. So only on the natural tannins on the aroma you will feel it, even though if it is an artificial flavor. So that's the way I have, and of course I'll share some of the mocktails which I have it as a favorite. So you'll see, and of course BCAA Pro. So these are the two pre-workouts and intra workouts that I have, and I have ordered 2 more supplements. So not from MuscleBlaze, so this is from a different brand. So I just wanted to start different this time. So and to order anything, so don't go for the bigger boxes. So since I'm going to try that new, so chinna box order பண்ணிருக்கேன், but I'll share that soon as soon as I receive that package. So I will share that video with you. So okay, time for me to pack up, get started. Cheers.